Alright, what's going on everybody, Keegan G here, welcome back to another video. So for today's video, we're going to be doing an educational video actually. I'll be showing you guys how you can make money using a program called Salad.io. So first things first, you're going to, click onto the browser. You're going to search up in Google Salad.io. It should be the first link right here. Salad Share Compute for Epic Loot. I don't know why they named it like that. Anyways, the whole purpose of this program is basically cryptocurrency mining. You mine with your GPU, and it pays you out the money. You don't get the cryptocurrency, but you get the money. I've been using this program for the last 2-3 days, and so far it's worked out pretty well. I have no real complaints or worries about it. I did check out the frequently asked questions. I did test it out first, okay, before I just go telling you guys, hey, you should try and install this and make some money. Thinking about the money part, it's not gonna be life-changing money, obviously, but it's enough to be like, okay, I can make like $5 to $10 here, maybe $20 in a week. And then, you can go into this little store right here. We'll get to this in a second. You can go into this little store right here and you can buy some games like, you can buy Cyberpunk for $33.07 if you want to buy something like that, or maybe a Spotify gift card. But yeah, the whole purpose of this is to use your computer for mining, and you're making money while the PC is idle. Let me see, what's a game? Bed Orchestra. I know that's a good game. Words of the Fallen, Legendary. I don't know what that is. Dead Island. Hold on, let me make sure this is a game. Oh, it is. You can totally get Dead Island right now for $5.30. That's actually pretty cool. Okay, sorry about that. I literally spent like the last 20 minutes just looking for a game or two I like, but I ended up getting Chivalry Medieval Warfare, and I ended up getting Beyond the Wire. Beyond the Wire, let's see, it's literally $35, and I got it for, I mean, you could say free, but I paid about $6 for it. So that's almost a friggin' $30 decrease in price. Honestly, I think Salad is definitely worth it if you can find some good deals. Also, I got Chivalry. So right now they're pending. But like I said, guys, I think this is a completely legit program. If you want to leave your PC at idle and make a little bit of money and go buy yourself a game and potentially get it on a really good deal, I highly suggest going to go do it. Again, link will be in the description. Oh yeah, speaking of link in the description, if you want to help your boy out, actually, that would be really great with this code, unique referral code. Share to anyone you can think of, and I obviously want to share it with you guys. So this is like a complete transparency right here. What do I get when someone uses my code? You receive a 50% bonus relative to your referees salad earnings, up to $1 per referee paid out as they earn. This does not impact their earnings. The more your referees run Salad, the faster you'll see your bonuses. What does the person using my code get? Using your promo code will grant your, I can't read today apparently, referee a 2x earning rate bonus until they've reached $4 earned. Well, I'd say that's pretty fair. If you want to use my code, again, link will be in the description, and obviously you can see it on the screen. Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and go make some money.